Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Q3 FY23 results conference of Praveg Limited, hosted by Kiran Advisors Private Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star and 0 on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Sumit Maru from Kiran Advisors Private Limited. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I would like to welcome Mr. Vishnu Patel, Chairman of Praveg Limited, Mr. Prolina Barada, Executive, Mr. K.L. Bakshi, Director, and Mr. Mukesh Chaudhary, Company Secretary. As this is the first call from the company, we will have brief introduction about the business model of the company, then Q3 result highlights, and followed by Q&A. Now, I hand over the call to Ms. Prolina Barada for brief introduction about the company. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the first conference call of Praveg Limited to discuss the quarter 3 ending and 9-month ending of financial year 2023 performance. As we are connecting first time, I would like to start by giving you a brief introduction about the company. Praveg Limited was founded in 2005 and today it is a leading company having presence in diverse business segments like exhibition, event management, tourism, hospitality, and publication. Our core strength lies in independent and sophisticated infrastructure, expert and experienced manpower, and in-house creative design studio. Company's diverse clientele includes the state government of Gujarat, the government of Uttar Pradesh, the government of Odisha, and many more government organizations, the large-scale corporates, and renowned entrepreneurs. Praveg's wide range of portfolio includes execution of large-scale projects in India and in international markets. We have successfully executed quite a few projects in the USA, China, South Korea, Europe, Africa, and in the Middle East. Praveg has been an industry leader in event exhibition management for over 20 years and has successfully completed over 3,000 large and medium-scale events and exhibitions till date. The company has handled various prestigious projects like Tent City Narmada at Statue of Unity, Kevadia, Gujarat, Tent City Varanasi in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Whiterun Resort in Ranotsav, Kutch, Gujarat, and there are many among them. Our current projects are spread over 3 lakh square meters area with over 450 rooms capacity. Till date, we have sold over and above 50,000 rooms with satisfying client services. While coming to our future expansion plan, we have got the development, operation and maintenance and management contracts for building of a tent city at Chakratirth Beach at Diu, a tent city at Jampur Beach, Daman, another tent city at Lighthouse Beach, Daman. Here altogether, Praveg will set up 95 tents with 1 convention hall and a restaurant facility in each resort. The contract period will be initially for 3 years and which may extend by another 2 years. Praveg will be starting all these resorts by April 2023. Praveg has acquired lands at 4 locations: Doi, Rajasthan, Velabadar, Gujarat, Ranthambore, Rajasthan, and Udaipur, Rajasthan, for developing high-end hospitality projects. All these projects are expected to be operationalized by December 2023. Additionally, Praveg has also received a LOA for the Adalat Special site, Ahmedabad, and has also planned another 3 resorts in Gujarat, in Kevadia, Sasanjir, and Shivrajpur, and another resort in Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan. All these projects are scheduled to start from April 2024. These projects are expected to cost around 90 crores, for which the company has funded this by a preferential offer of 63.87 crores, while the balance will be funded by the internal accrual. With aggressive expansion plan, we are strongly marching towards the future. So now let me take you through the financial performance of the company during the reported quarter and 9 months of financial year 2023. Praveg Limited had achieved a remarkable growth in the first 9 months ending of financial year 2023, outperforming the whole financial year 2020. While it comes to quarter 3 of financial year 23, the total revenue that we have generated is 28.47 crores, up by 79.85. EBITDA stands at 17.19 crores, up by 107.36%. EBITDA margin sets at 60.38%, which was earlier 52.37%. After tax, it stands at 11.56 crores. The earnings per share, the EPS, stands at 6.01, up by 103.04%. And while I go through the 9 months ending of financial year 2023, the total revenue stands at 65.81 crores. EBITDA stands at 35.37. The EBITDA margin stands at 53.75. The profit after tax, it stands at 23.2. And the EPS stands at 12.09 rupees. So now I open the floor for the question and answer session. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin with the question and answer session. Anyone wishing to ask a question may please press star and 1 on your touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, press star and 2. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Jay from Capital PMS. Please go ahead.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. Jay. Please proceed with your question.
Hi. Congratulations to the management. Very good set of numbers for the entire team, Ma'am, I had a few questions on, when you said that the business model and about the new properties that are coming up. I just want to know how does the management, zero down on the property, and what is our right to win when we are looking at a specific property? Because we are relatively new compared to the other, hospitality players that are established in the country. So how does the management, get access to prime properties at prime areas? That was question 1. And second is how does the seasonality of the business that affects us? Then what is the management, plan of action that to counter the seasonality of hospitality and the event industry? What would the management do in terms of downsizing?
Hello, members of the management team.
Yes.
Yes, sir. So we have a question. We're not.
Hello.
Yes, please proceed.
Yeah. This is Prolina. Hi. Thank you for the question, Jay. I guess I pronounced your name properly.
Yes.
Yeah. You have a question that how we get access to these good location properties, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. We, when I mentioned the future expansion plans, I say that one part was the government deal project that we got through the government PPP mode. Like we apply for the tender and we get it through tendering process only, and we develop it as PPP mode.
Okay.
And while coming to the other properties that I said about the 4 locations in Rajasthan and Ahmedabad and Gujarat, Those properties we have acquired through our own, like we have acquired the land there. We have invested there. Hello?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah, I think it suffices your question or anything else?
No, second question was because we have this seasonality in the business, like because we are in the events division also along with hospitality. So my question was, what does the management have in plan in place that to counter the cyclicality or the seasonality of the business? Because events industry is not something where we have a lot of visibility compared to what you have in hospitality as a division.
Okay. See, when it comes to seasonality, if I say about the Ran Utsav project, if you say that Ran Utsav runs for 4 months in a year, and this, if you say this Varanasi project, because of the season, that rainy season causes Varanasi to shut down its business for 4 months, right? We will be operational there for 8 months. And while it comes to the event management segment, I hope there is no season for doing this event management business.
Okay.
Because so management also, please.
So I just want to know then when you said that your business is on for 8 months at Varanasi or 4 months at Kachittar, what is happening in the property for the remaining 8 months? Do we have like a tangible setup, like a foldable setup or a movable setup that you kind of have versus a proper brick and mortar hotel that is being made? Like if you can present like what is happening at the property for the 4 months or the 8 months that is shut?
For this Ran Utsav, actually we have specific setup over there in Ran of Kutch, where for the other 8 months we shut down the property and we have that setup over there. We have warehouses there, so that we can remove those rented accommodations and store it in the storage area. The same will be applicable for Varanasi also.
Okay. So these tents are basically bought by us, is the property of the company, if they are not on lease.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Does the company own the tents as a property, as an asset? Or I was under the understanding that...
These are all our assets only.
Okay. That's it.
That's a land, all the furniture, fixtures, tents, all the structures, whatever it lying on that land is being transferred to warehouse after dismantling it, which we again use in the next season. So certain resorts are of the nature where it's work for the seasonal basis, and certain resort is for full years of operation. Same way in the event industry also. In second quarter, like June to September, event business is normally at lower tune than third and fourth quarter. So event business always हमारे को जो ज़्यादा business मिलता है वो अक्टूबर से मार्च महीने में मिलता है, और वो भी again we are depend on the government kind of business, तो जो government के tenders के ऊपर depend होता है, तो वो भी हम लास्ट 6 महीना और फर्स्ट क्वार्टर का 1 अप्रैल महीना में हमारे को वो बिजनेस मिलता है. So that is the normal seasonality, and now we are mitigating the seasonality by way of starting new resort. जो रिसोर्ट हमारा पूरा साल में यूज होने का मतलब ऑपरेशनल रहने वाले हैं. तो मेजर रिसोर्ट नाउ वी आर गोइंग अहेड विथ फुल इयर्स ऑफ ऑपरेशंस.
ओके सर, कैन यू गिव अ ब्रेकअप प्लीज, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो, कि फुल ईयर वाले कौन से और पार्ट ईयर वाले कौन से रहेंगे?
मैं आपको बताऊँ कि जैसे there is 2 resort only which is on work, which work on seasonal basis. That is the Kutch and Varanasi. Remaining all resorts including Kevadia as well as Daman, Diu, Rajasthan के 3-4 resorts बताए गए, वेलावदर के बताए गए, जो ये साल में ऑपरेशनलाइज होने वाले, इट इज अंडर डेवलपमेंट. वो सारे फुल ईयर ऑफ ऑपरेशन वाले हैं.
ओके. एंड ये ज़्यादातर रिसोर्ट दिस विल बी मीडियम टू लग्जरी, और दिस विल बी मेजरली फॉर द affordable and middle income class is what we are targeting?
There is a 2 segment which we can define. कि एक जो मिडल एंड हाई मिडल क्लास के लिए और एक हाई एंड है। वाराणसी के अंदर भी ऐसे दो टू टाइप ऑफ ऑप्शन है अवेलेबल। सेम एक केवड़िया में अवेलेबल है। तो नॉर्मली मिडल और हायर मिडल सेगमेंट हमारा मेजर कस्टमर है। और हमारा लास्ट ईयर में आपको थोड़ा ब्रीफ करूँ, लास्ट ईयर ARR was 8,400 against our industrial to 4,200 rupees per room. Just for your knowledge.
Okay. Okay, sir, that is great. Sir, just one last question. When you say that we keep the tents and everything as a property, so what is the payback period for a non-seasonal resort versus a full year resort, like say run of cuts?
Very interesting question.
Yes.
Yeah, a very interesting question. While we deciding to open new sites for resort, we first make it feasibility study, how much tourism is coming, how is the future scope for that particular location. वो all जो स्टडी करते हैं तो हम नॉर्मली देखते हैं कि हमारा जो इन्वेस्टमेंट टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर है। बेसिकली जो टेंटेड रिसोर्ट्स होते हैं वो परमानेंट स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होते हैं, टेम्पररी स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं। तो नॉर्मली हमारा पेबैक पीरियड हम 1.5 ईयर्स गिन के चलते हैं, चाहे सीजन में चले या चाहे फुल साल चले। इट डिपेंड सीजन की इफेक्ट फाइनेंशियल जो टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट है इसके साथ ही इसको देखा जाता है। यानी कि अगर सीजन 4 महीने की है लेकिन अगर हमारा रिसोर्ट 1.5 साल के अंदर यानी कि वही 1.5 सीजन हम गिने तो जो रेवेन्यू आना चाहिए इतना हमारा कैपिटल आउटले होता है कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर से।
Okay. So basically you're saying, sir, that on the feasibility study, you will decide whether to put a tented structure or to build a permanent structure, right?
Exactly. So if it is a payback period of 1.5 year maximum, then only we open resource or we bid for the same.
Okay, so 1.5 year is threshold for Praveg as a company. Above that, we won't generally look to open any property. And
yes, exactly. There's a threshold limit where we make we consider it as a feasible if it is a payback period is below 1.5 years.
Okay. Okay. So that is very good as a financial discipline. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for answering all the questions and all the best for the future.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Avinash Gorakhshekar from Profit Mark Securities. Please go ahead.
First of all, congratulations for the entire Praveg team. Numbers have been extremely excellent, Vishnu bhai. I have 2-3 questions just to understand, for the first 9 months we did 65 crore revenue. Can you come to know what is the percentage of hospitality and exhibition in this 65 crores? अगर आप इसका थोड़ा सा मोटा-मोटी हम लोग को ब्रेकअप देंगे. और another question which I have is basically, we saw the company's EBITDA margins improving significantly. In fact, I was seeing the third quarter numbers. The EBITDA margin is almost 60% compared to the second quarter when it was 55%. So has the company taken any price increases in quarter 3? If you can please tell us.
Revenue breakup will be by Prolina. Prolina, can you share that revenue breakup?
Sure, sir. So, good evening, Avinash sir. While it comes to the business of Praveg, we have right now having 2 source of income. One is from events and exhibition, another one from hospitality. So, when coming to this 9 month and 65.81 CR turnover, we can go for that 40% from the event and exhibition segment and 60% from hospitality.
Okay. And madam, on the second question, if you could please tell.
EBITDA margin.
Vishnu.
EBITDA margin is.
Yeah, please.
EBITDA margin is depend upon the volume of the business always. So in the third quarter, we have done around 50% more business than the second quarter. And that's why there is a shift of EBITDA margin from 53% of the second quarter to 60% to the third quarter. That is mainly reason for the same. Because our overhead will recover more in case of volume of sales is increasing. That's why.
Okay. So basically, the prices, the sale price has not increased. Just
the sale price is not increased. Definitely not.
Okay.
One more question before I conclude. I would like to say on the exhibition business, now what is the kind of outlook the management would like to share for, say, FY24? Because, in the last 1 or 2 years, hospitality business has increased the contribution significantly, but exhibition is also one of the strengths of Praveg. So going forward, can we expect some more traction even on the exhibition and event side, in the coming financial year? If you could share some thoughts.
Yeah, I can share one interesting thing. Due to last 2 years corona effect, the event exhibition was at a very lower tune in last 20 years Praveg history, number one. So you find lower volume of sales in event and exhibition. Number two, the events and exhibition business is depend upon government के जो प्रोजेक्ट आते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड रहता है. आप जानते हैं कि हमारा मेन बिजनेस गुजरात से आता था, तो गुजरात का अभी गवर्नमेंट का इलेक्शन अभी जस्ट पूरा हुआ, तो अभी कुछ ना कुछ नई इवेंट्स और एग्जीबिशन के जो भी स्केल आएंगे उसको हम कैच करने का प्रयास करेंगे. और दूसरा, जब हम टेंडर उसके भरते हैं तो वो टेंडर्स के अंदर उसकी वायबिलिटी, उसका मार्जिन सब देख के हम काम करते हैं. और राइट नाउ वी हैव बैलेंस फोकस विद इवेंट एंड एग्जीबिशन में भी हमारा फोकस है, सेम डे हॉस्पिटैलिटी में भी है. सो वी गेट गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, वी विल कैच दैट बिजनेस ऑल्सो.
विष्णु भाई, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आपने बोला कि वाराणसी रिसोर्ट ये थोड़ा सा सीजनल रिसोर्ट है, तो ये सीजन का टाइम हमको बता सकते हैं? और मोटा मोटी अगले साल, दैट इज फॉर नेक्स्ट फुल ईयर, व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ टारगेटेड कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन? हम लोग पूरी तरह से जो भी टेंट्स हमने वाराणसी में लगाए वो पूरा कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन यूटिलाइज करने की टारगेट कर रहे हैं, तो ये जरा बताइए.
हाँ, हमारे जो सीजन है वो ऑफ सीजन, मतलब कि जो डिसमेंटल करते हैं वो जून में करते हैं, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, और डिपेंड अपॉन द रेन. अगर रेन ज़्यादा है तो अक्टूबर तक, यानी कि 5 महीना मैक्सिमम हमारी सीजन के अफेक्टेड हो. मतलब गंगा नदी के किनारे हैं तो वहाँ अगर वाटर ड्राई हो गई है नदी तो वहाँ हम लगाएंगे. यानी कि अक्टूबर से हमारा नॉर्मली स्टार्ट होता है ऑपरेशन और मई तक चलता है, नंबर वन. नंबर टू, वी हैव डन देयर अराउंड 140 टेंट हमने ऑलरेडी लगा दिए हैं, और वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग ह्यूज बिजनेस इन द फ्यूचर. एंड जो बिगिनिंग हुई है अभी 1 महीने की, इसमें काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है. एंड वी विल फर्दर expanding our business development team to have business of conference and wedding kind of business in Varanasi also. So जैसे ही हमारा धीरे धीरे वो हमारी टीम है इसमें मोबिलाइज कर रहे हैं हम, और इसमें हम काफ़ी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक है, अच्छा काम होगा इसमें.
Thank you for the answer, Vishnu bhai, and all the best to you and your company. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Shashank from Value Educator. Please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Firstly, many congratulations for the Praveg team for the excellent set of numbers. So my question is related to our upcoming projects. If you can elaborate a bit about them, like the Daman View, I think you have mentioned that we have about 95 upcoming tents. So what about the Velavadar, Venkambur, Udaipur? How many tents are we planning over there? And what is the nature of Adani Stepwell project? I think it is an area development. So can you give us some briefs about these 3-4 projects? And other, I think, like some projects which you said will be coming in April 2024, like Sasanveer, Kevadia, and few more Kumbhalgarh and all. So, like, just to get clarity about how many tents will be there, what is the seasonality over there, and if possible, what would be the revenues or something if we are expecting, that would be really helpful.
Prolina will explain this in detail. Prolina, please.
Yeah, sure, sir. First of all, while talking about the upcoming projects of Daman and Diu, as I said, 95 tents will be there. That includes the 30-35 numbers in Daman and 30 tents in Diu.
Okay.
Okay, and for Javai, we are planning for 20 units over there in Javai.
Okay.
It will again go in 2 phases, 12 in first phase and another 8 in the second phase. And for Velavada, we are planning for 12 rooms.
Okay.
For Ranthambore, we are planning for 50 rooms. And for Udaipur, we are planning for 35 rooms.
So it will be, ma'am, same setup of the tented stay?
No. Here, while I talk about Daman and Diu, it is called as tent city, but it will be operational throughout the year. So these are all cottages, that is, permanent structures will be there.
Okay.
And while I talk about our own properties at Javai, Velavada, Ranthambore and Udaipur, these will be the permanent structures, building structures. We live somewhere and somewhere glass houses we are planning. Like we plan USP-based projects in all of our properties. And those will be operational throughout the year. And while talking about the Kumbalgarh, Kevalia, Sasamgir and Sivasur beach projects also, those will be again permanent structures throughout the year.
So it will be, ma'am, RCC structure, because right now I think our ROC is very excellent, probably more than 50%, because firstly I think the land which we get is from the government, and another thing is like this retail structure is much, I think is much cheaper compared to RCC or any hotel type of structure. So are we planning to have a similar payback or similar ROC in future when we are going for the land acquisition and the permanent land structure? So do you give any idea on that, sir?
I would like to answer for that. Our major tent city is normally a temporary structure base. Only where we own the land, that is semi-temporary structure. For Udaipur, Javai, Ranthambore and Velavada, that will be a semi-structure kind of structure will be lying on our for own land. थोड़ा इसमें थोड़ा सिविल स्ट्रक्चर भी होता है, बाकी का थोड़ा टेंटेड स्ट्रक्चर भी होता है. सर्टेन में हम सीमेंट सीट को सेमी टेम्पररी काइंड के आइटम्स भी इंट्रोड्यूस करके उसको कॉटेजेस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, सो एज टू आवर आरओसी वी कैन मेंटेन. अगर मेजर इन्वेस्टमेंट पर रूम की नॉर्मल जो ट्रेडिशनल होटल बॉम्बे या अहमदाबाद जो मेट्रो सिटी में बनती है, उस रूम की भी कॉस्ट 1 करोड़ से 1.5 करोड़ होती है. तो वो प्रॉपर्टी हम डेवलप करने नहीं जा रहे हैं. हमारा सेगमेंट पूरा अलग है. हमारा जहाँ वाइल्ड लाइफ है, जहाँ नेचर है, जहाँ रिवर का किनारा है, जहाँ सीशोर है, ऐसी जो इंटरेस्टिंग जगह होती है, वहाँ ही हम प्रवेग अपनी टेंट सिटी और ये प्रोजेक्ट आगे लेके आती है.
और मैम, can you give the number for the land which we acquired? What is the amount which we spent possibly to acquire the land? That's for the ma'am, I'm asking about the land which we acquired for these projects. What is the amount for the same? How much we spent? I think in annual report you had mentioned that Ranthambore, Udaipur, Javai and Velavadar land are already acquired. So can you give me the amount which we spent to acquire the land?
Okay. Sir, can I have the answer on this?
या मैं आपको बताऊं कि जो ये वेलावदर है वो हमारा लैंड एंड लैंड डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट विल बी 1.5 करोड़ ऑफ दैट है, क्योंकि हमारी जो लैंड है वो मेट्रो सिटी में परटेन नहीं करती है. उसकी वजह से लैंड कॉस्ट, एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट इज फार लोअर देन नॉर्मल लैंड कॉस्ट. सो दैट इज 1.5 करोड़. फॉर उदयपुर लैंड एंड लैंड डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट विल बी 1.6 crore. Same way for this Javai, it's around 1 crore rupees. In that way, Ranthambore, it will be a 2.5 crore around land and land development cost, including stamp duty and some alignment and balancing we need to do before doing development work. So we include that land cost, include land development cost.
Right, sir. और सर अडालज का आप कुछ बता सकते हो कि ये अलग प्रोजेक्ट है शायद, आई थिंक ये टेंटेड अकोमोडेशन नहीं है एज पर एज माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो एरिया डेवलपमेंट का आपने कुछ पोस्ट किया था, क्या एग्जैक्टली प्रोजेक्ट है, वो कब आ सकता है, कुछ डिटेल्स इतना चाहिए.
That's also under development, right? That project is particularly awarded to us by government of Gujarat for 30 years lease, and that project is very unique project. This is exactly adjoining to the step well of Adalat, which is one of the historical monuments and archaeological monuments of the particularly based at Ahmedabad and between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. So that project is somewhat unique project of Praveg than other resort kind of project. There in that project 10 रूम का हम अंडर वाटर रूम लेके आ रहे हैं, अंडर वाटर रूम एज वेल एज अंडर वाटर रेस्टोरेंट, जहाँ सी क्रिएचर आप अंदर बैठ के आप पूरा सराउंडिंग में देख सकते हैं। तो ऐसा एक यूनिक प्रोजेक्ट हम अहमदाबाद में लेके आ रहे हैं। सेम वे हम स्केटिंग रिंग, आइस स्केटिंग रिंग हम बनाने जा रहे हैं वहाँ, क्योंकि हमारे अहमदाबाद और गांधीनगर और कलोल सिटी के आसपास अराउंड 1.25 करोड़ पब्लिक रहती है। तो उसके एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए एक अच्छा लोकेशन है, एग्जैक्टली ऑन द एसजी रोड। सो वी वांट टू कैच दैट मास, मतलब जो पब्लिक अवेलेबल है वहाँ एंटरटेनमेंट का जो रेवेन्यू नहीं है, तो उसको हम आगे ले जा रहे हैं। सेम वे जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट अदालत स्टेप में हिस्टोरिकल मॉन्यूमेंट, तो वहाँ हम कोई इवेंट नहीं कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ आर्कियोलॉजिकल रिस्ट्रिक्शन। हम उसकी एग्जैक्टली रिप्लिका कॉपी बना के, हमारी ये जो जगह है 30,000 स्क्वायर मीटर जगह है, वहाँ हम एक एम्पी थिएटर बनाने जा रहे हैं जो एग्जैक्टली उसकी कॉपी होगी। यहाँ बर्थडे, एनिवर्सरी या कोई भी इवेंट, पार्टी, मैरिज जो भी करना है तो वो पर्टिकुलर इवेंट वहाँ भी कर सकेंगे। और एक झील है, तो झील के किनारे भी एक रेस्टोरेंट बनाने जा रहे हैं। तो काफ़ी अच्छा खासा इसमें हमारा टूरिज्म एंगल से आगे डेवलप करने जा रहे हैं अदालत में।
तो सर ये पीपीपी मॉडल है, इसमें लैंड जो है वो हमें गवर्नमेंट से मिलने वाली है या कैसे?
एग्जैक्टली इट इज अ पीपीपी मॉडल which awarded to us for 30 years. We have to pay rent on it.
ओके। और ये कब तक ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा सर?
We are planning to operationalize before March 24. ये भी दिसंबर में भी हो सकता है, बट सर्टेन प्लस माइनस गिन सकते हैं आप। करेक्ट।
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सर वाराणसी टेन सिटी रिलेटेड है। आई थिंक आपने 140 टेंस अभी बोला, उसमें शायद कुछ 82 एंड प्लस 68 ऐसा कुछ था शायद। तो वो जो एडिशनल नंबर थे 1 जनवरी तक आने वाले थे, ऑलरेडी वो आ चुके हैं और आर इन प्रोसेस?
ऑलरेडी 13 जनवरी को उसका इनॉग्रेशन हो गया। राइट नाउ इट इज ऑपरेशनलाइज, लेकिन इस बार ज़्यादा मानसून की वजह से हमारे को पोजीशन दिसंबर में दिया गया, तो उसका ऑपरेशनलाइज हमारे को जल्दी करना था। तो हमने, आप बोल रहे हैं ऐसे 82 या जो भी है वो टेंट हमने ऑलरेडी वी आर मेड इट टू ऑपरेशन, और अभी आगे का एक्सपांशन उसका चल रहा है, डेवलपमेंट जो भी है तो हम आगे कर रहे हैं। यानी कि इन नेक्स्ट ईयर बिफोर वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर 200 टेंट्स एट वाराणसी along with the big 900 people conference कम एक हॉल बनाने का प्लान है।
ओके। और सर इसका जो हमें टेंडर मिला है वो टोटल 400 टेंट्स का है मैक्सिमम?
हमें सर एक्चुअली 20 हेक्टेयर एरिया मिला हुआ है।
ओके।
10 हेक्टेयर एरिया के 2 प्लॉट हमें मिले हुए हैं वहाँ पे वाराणसी में।
ओके।
We've got two plots, and we can develop more than 300 tents also. There is no limit for that particular area because it's a huge space.
Right.
And it was first year we developed only 140 tents. 82 are operational now, and बाकी का जो rest है, those will be operational from 20th February.
Okay.
So for next year we are planning for more tents.
Okay, understood. The question next is like the receivable amount I was checking in a balance sheet. तो फर्स्ट हाफ में कुछ लगभग 23.47 करोड़ का रिसीवेबल्स है। सो व्हाट इज दिस नेचर ऑफ रिसीवेबल्स एंड 9 मंथ का नंबर इफ यू कैन शेयर विथ मी। एंड हॉस्पिटलिटी बिजनेस में जनरली इतना ज़्यादा रिसीवेबल में भी जनरली नहीं होता है, बट आई थिंक इट माइट बी ड्यू टू द एग्जीबिशन ऑफ द इवेंट विच इज डिपेंड ऑन गवर्नमेंट।
सब बिजनेस है मार्च में आता है, मार्च महीने के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा बिजनेस होता है, तो सारे जो बिलिंग्स है वो मार्च में रेज होते हैं। जैसे ऑलवेज मार्च बैलेंस शीट और जून बैलेंस शीट के बिटवीन आपको ज़्यादा रिसीवेबल्स मिलेंगे देखने को।
ओके। तो सर इसमें अभी 9 मंथ का नंबर आप कुछ शेयर कर सकते हो, या हिस्टोरिकली इसमें कुछ बैड डेट हुआ है गवर्नमेंट से या रिसीवेबल्स में एग्जीबिशंस में?
I can say it separately because I don't have it handy.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
if I say
Yeah, sure.
But not a major bad debt is happening from government side normally. But there may be the difference of discount or our pricing and their pricing. There may be some discount kind of things happening. So no question of major any bad debt to committing debt in this 20 years history. Where in total 20 years history, I can say that the total debt there for discount after billing not exceeding 2 crore rupees, 2 or 3 crore in total history of Praveg.
Understood. Okay, can I ask more question I have, or should I join back maybe?
Hello?
Mr. Shah,
Can I have some more questions?
please proceed.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. So, sir, before I think 1 or 2 months आपने कुछ क्लिनिक के बारे में अपडेट किया था कि कुछ सफारी रिलेटेड वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन ओवर देयर. सो कुछ बता सकते हैं उसके रिलेटेड कि लाइक व्हाट विल बी द नेचर ऑफ दैट प्रोजेक्ट एंड वो कब तक शुरू हो सकता है एंड व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल?
जरा मैं समझा नहीं आपकी बात. सफारी मतलब
I think in Kenya I am saying you have updated to exchanges about starting one subsidiary.
Yeah, we have incorporated one subsidiary at Kenya. We are planning in future. Still, there is not any perfectly any land is acquired, but we have decided in future we will start one resort at Masai Mara Forest. That's why that subsidiary we have incorporated before some days.
Okay. So any like rough timelines कब तक वो शुरू हो सकता है या क्या potential है?
Still the management has not decided, but we have strategically we have opened our bank accounts and opened one company. Once we get good opportunity there in terms of acquisition of the land in the between forest and the land is found to be idle and right for making this kind of resort. In that case, we will catch that opportunity. That's why we make our company ready, structure ready, so we can speed up that process at the appropriate time.
Right. Okay, sir. And अभी इन इंडस्ट्री का आप कुछ बता सकते हो कि ये जो 10 सिटी का कंसेप्ट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने लाया है, ये है one at Narmada, then another at Rameswaram and third one at Varanasi. So what are the other cities which are planned in future या already और कुछ cities में है क्या? And like any understanding which you can share to investors, like how many operational or upcoming?
Basically, we do not want to start hotels like in metro or city, big city. That is our fundamental difference between hospitality companies. So you can't compare that hospitality companies, the ROC and all those financial parameters with company like Praveg. We are basically we have a focus to start some good eco-tourism system in India, and that's why we are selecting natural places, seashore, rivers, as well as special the places of special importance like Statue of Unity, religious city of the India. So ऐसे जो places available है, ऐसे place ऐसे location में Praveg is eager to start this kind of resort come 10 city kind of project with unique USP. Like in Udaipur, we have glass houses. We have purchased mountain, entire mountain. On top of mountain, we are planning glass resort, where you can, on the top of that, you can find a reception and dining area. And in surrounding of that mountain, there will be a glass structure. Our guests can enjoy entire sky during night time with all their hobby to stargazing. ऐसे लोगों के लिए अच्छे लोकेशन देने जा रहे हैं. अनेक प्रपोजिशन से हमारी क्रिएटिव स्टूडियो इज वर्किंग ऑन इट. तो वहाँ हमने ग्लास रिसोर्ट बनाए हैं. जवाई के अंदर हम केव्स बना रहे हैं.
ओके
रहेगा तो केव्स हम डिजाइन करने जा रहे हैं. जैसे कि हमारा अदालत है तो अंडर वाटर रूम एंड अंडर वाटर रेस्टोरेंट है. इसी तरह हमें कंपाउंड में कुछ अनेक आएगा. इसी तरह हम दूसरी जगह पे ऐसा एक जिसको एक एक्सपेरिंशियल अलग अलग बनाने जा रहे हैं. तो ऐसे इको सिस्टम इंडिया में हम चाहते हैं कि every year we can expand this kind of resort. That resort transfer every year explore depends upon availability of the land.
Right. I think you all are doing fantastic. It is a very unique model, keeping in mind the financial parameters of ROC and what the returns are we getting from the investor capital. So that is a fantastic thing. You all achieved many congratulations for that. मुझे कुछ numbers चाहिए थे ये quarters के, तो can you share about the revenue occupancy and average room rate?
Mr. Shashank, can you speak a little closer to the phone?
Am I audible, ma'am, now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Prolina, ma'am, I want some numbers for this quarter and कुछ historical numbers if you have them handy, or otherwise we'll get back to you later. The Narmada City and Run of Kutch का quarter 3 का revenue occupancy and average room rate if you can share.
मैं आपको जनरली शेयर करूँ उसके बारे में. जो केवड़िया है वो हमारा ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल 30 से 35% का है. गेस्ट की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके, देन कॉन्फ्रेंस की बात कर रहा हूँ. ओके, हमारा वहाँ केवड़िया के अंदर छोटे मोटे मिला के काफी बैंक्वेट हॉल बनाए हुए हैं. तो हमारी एक रेवेन्यू अदर देन गेस्ट की ये है कि कॉन्फ्रेंस की जाती है. जैसे आपको ऑल इंडिया डीजी कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई, उसके बाद जजेस की कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई, लोकसभा के सारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स की कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई. तो ऐसी अलग अलग कॉन्फ्रेंस होती रहती है वहाँ. वो बिजनेस अलग है. उसके अलावा की जो गेस्ट है वो पर्टिकुलरली हम गिन सकते हैं कि रूम ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल इज 35. दैट इज अवर प्रोवेग एजम्पशन कि कोई भी रिसोर्ट में अगर 30% हम अचीव करते हैं रिसोर्ट के अंदर. अगर हम
Mr. Vishnu Patel, sir, can you speak a little more closer to the mic? Your voice is sounding very soft.
Okay. तो मोटा मोटी 35% हमारा केवड़िया परफॉर्म कर रहा है ऑक्यूपेंसी. कच्छ के अंदर बिजनेस है और सीजन में काफी पब्लिक का रस रहता है, तो वहाँ 65% ऑक्यूपेंसी लेवल है हमारा कच्छ का. ओके, ये स्टार्टिंग अप विद द गुड नंबर. वो भी अच्छा अभी परफॉर्म हमने जो एक्सपेक्ट किया था लाइन के आगे बढ़ रहा है. भले 25 डेज का एक्सपीरियंस है, बट गोइंग गुड.
राइट. और सर ये ईयरली आप कुछ नंबर शेयर कर सकते हैं कब से गवर्नमेंट के लिए हम ईयरली कितना रेंट पे करते हैं गवर्नमेंट के लिए इस पॉसिबल?
हाँ जी, कच्छ के अंदर हम 1.25 करोड़ रुपया रेंट देते हैं. वाराणसी के अंदर 2.5 करोड़ रुपया रेंट देते हैं. अदालत के अंदर हम 50 लाख रुपया रेंट देने वाले. ईयरली मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, सारी फिगर.
और सर केवड़िया का कितना है नॉर्मल?
केवड़िया का अब तक नहीं था क्योंकि वो वायर भी गैप फंडिंग वाला था, तो अब तक नहीं था. बट अभी उसका जो उससे कम होगा तो आगे चालू हो जाएगा करना.
ओके सर, ओके. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम. इफ आई एम क्वेरी आई विल जॉइन एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you. Reminder to the participants, anyone wishing to ask a question, may please press star and 1. The next question is on the line of Yashwanti Khatkar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
This is Yashwanti Khatkar. So most of my questions are answered. Just want to understand.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. You're sounding very soft. Can you come a little more closer to the mic?
I just wanted to understand, if you wanted to create any structure like a Narmada Tank City with a tank occupancy of around 100 tanks, what is an approximate cost normally we incur when the land is already given us to the development?
Yeah. For temporary structure, our cost is benchmark cost is 15 lakh rupees per tent. That include common facilities like swimming pool, dining area, or whatever waste facility basically required to be done. But and for semi-temporary structure, which is not a perfectly a finished structure or perfectly a temporary structure, that cost benchmark cost is assuming to be 30 lakh rupees per room.
50 lakh.
30.
30. Okay. And then also, as we are receiving the loan from the government, so I believe we need to take some royalty towards that, right? Hello?
I couldn't get you.
And do we have to pay royalty when the land is received from the government when we create the structure? Am I audible?
No.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. Your audio is sounding very muffled.
No, I just wanted to say that do we have to pay any royalty as we are getting the land from government when we create the structure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we pay royalty to the government.
What is the cost? What is the rate of this? What is kind of a payment arrangement we have to do? And what kind of a royalty we need to pay?
It's yearly.
Yeah. It's a
Yearly, just explained before some while. Our Varanasi, we are paying 2.5 crore yearly. Adalad is 0.5 crore. Then after Kutch, we are paying 1.25 crore yearly royalty to the government. That depend upon.
Okay. So
depend upon property and.
It is basically a lump sum amount which we need to pay, right?
Yes, exactly. It is a lump sum royalty decided at the time of tender.
Okay. So all this comes get decided at the time of tender.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is on the line of Uday Kumar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mr. Uday Kumar, may we request you to switch to the handset mode from the speaker mode?
Yeah, ma'am. Is it okay now?
Much better, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So, Vishnubai, superb numbers. What Praveg means, we understand now accelerated growth, right? That is the meaning of acceleration in Gujarati is a Praveg. My question is, So we are just, leaving our name. My question is, now see by FY23, shall we be reaching around 200 crore turnover? I understand 60% EBITDA we will maintain from all the discussion that I've heard of so far.
Yes, EBITDA is always depend upon how much occupancy we get from different resorts. So how at the end of the year product mix is there, it's depend upon that. So if there is a 10 resorts, some resorts is performing above line, some is somewhat below line, but the average assumed to be a 50 EBITDA margin. Right now in quarter 3, you not always presume that we get always a 60% or 61% EBITDA margin because the quarter 3 was very at high peak. So our overhead absorption of overhead leading to more EBITDA margin. But we may presume to be a 50% EBITDA margin normal.
Fine. And on the top line growth, is it possible by FY25 we touch 200 crore or more?
See, I can't give a number like this, but just explain before to someone and replying to someone's query that we are planning our resort with maximum payback period must not be more than 1.5 years.
Understood.
Investment. So accordingly, we have to analyze and figure out the numbers of sales.
Okay.
Because here we are doing capital investment of 90 plus crore for these 9 resorts, upcoming resorts. Among them, one we have concluded is a Varanasi. So 90 crore is our capex for this year. So if you understand with this payback period, there must be a 60 crore rupees turnover which add by these 9 resorts in the next year. So past record with this 60 crore, you may analyze accordingly.
Okay, fine. And any breakup possible for food and beverages kind of revenue and margin understanding onto that?
I would like to say focus about food and beverages. That is, our all resorts are at destination, far from city and far from other alternative available to our guests. That's why our room rent include food and beverages charges to that kind of destination. Wherever we are in 2 packages, one is with the F&B and one is with the breakfast option only. So normally you may include AR and include F&B.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Dharmik Shah, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. One of my questions is already answered on the Kenya thing. Second question I wanted to ask was, has Praveg bid for this G20 summit event, which is up later this year?
Excellent. Our May month meeting.
Yeah, please, sir. Please. Can I hear again?
Hello.
Yeah.
I had two questions. One was on the Kenya, but I think that was already answered.
Okay.
Second is this government G20 conference, which is coming up in later this year. So that will be a good marketing this platform for Praveg. So is Praveg bidding for this G20 summit event management?
So G20 bidding process, I think it was, if you talk about the event management part, no, event management part, we had not participated because it came earlier, I think 6 months earlier only. But yes, we have two G20 summits that are in stock at our property, which are not confirmed yet. One is confirmed, another is in process, like conference management. While I speak about the 10 City Narmada and Varanasi projects, we are yet to get confirmation from the G20 team for going for a G20 meet there.
Yeah, so we will get two G20, one at Kevadia and one at Varanasi. So it's under, right now not get confirmation, but it will be, maybe.
Okay. And on the Kenya thing, you already answered this actually. But as in, how aggressive is the company looking to expand into this African? Like Kenya is just one country, and when you speak about that, you specialize in wildlife and closer to nature kind of projects. So Africa as a continent as a whole, do you think is it a big opportunity for the company going forward? Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Yeah, I can listen.
Yeah.
Hello.
So ये मतलब ये अपना जो विष्णु वाइल्ड लाइफ और नेचर वगैरह से प्लेस से जो कंपनी का कनेक्ट है इतना, वहाँ पे सारे प्रोजेक्ट, हाँ. सो अफ्रीका में बहुत सारी कंट्रीज है, तो आपने कीनिया का जो इनकॉर्पोरेशन किया वो तो बहुत मतलब आपका सिनर्जी मैच होता है कि जहाँ पे आपका एक्सपर्टीज भी है कि आप वो फील्ड में डोमिनेट करते हो. तो ये बाकी जो भी वहाँ पे तो बहुत सारी कंट्रीज है जहाँ पे जैसा वाइल्ड लाइफ और क्लोजर टू नेचर और दुनिया भर के लोग आते हैं, टेंट वगैरह, तो वहाँ पे मतलब काफी हिट मॉडल हो सकता है. तो इसमें आपका अग्रेशन प्लान कुछ है सब बड़ा?
मैं आपको बताऊँ, देखो आपके बीच में जितने भी व्यंजन है आपको जो पसंद आएगा पहले लेंगे. सेम ऑल्सो इन केस ऑफ प्रवेग, इंडिया के अंदर जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटी अभी हमारे पास 9 resort is already confirmed, which is under development, and maybe during this year we get more 2-3 assignments because we get a tender government का आता है और उसके बाद हम बीड करते हैं और उसको चालू करते हैं. 3 महीने का 4 महीने का प्रोसेस होता है ऑपरेशनलाइज होने में. 120 days का ऑपरेशनलाइज पीरियड होता है फ्रॉम द बिडिंग टू ऑपरेशन. तो ये साल में भी 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट और भी मिल सकते हैं प्रोजेक्ट को. तो काफी प्रोजेक्ट इस साल के ऑपरेशन के लिए है हमारे पास. और आप जानते हैं 12 रिसोर्ट्स बनाना मतलब इसके लिए भी सारी टीम लगती है. तो हम अपॉर्चुनिटी देखते हैं कैसा लोकेशन है, कैसा पेबैक है, कैसे टूरिज्म के हिसाब से या हमारे को उसका रिस्पांस रहेगा. हमारे को अच्छा जहाँ भी लगता है तो वहाँ नजर होती है. तो हम प्रेजेंटली this year we are focusing for this India 9 to 12 resorts. Next year maybe we are very aggressive for the project of like Masai also. So we will do one resort overseas to study how we are वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस ओवरसीज ऑल्सो, तो एक आध रिसर्च हम करेंगे, उसको देखेंगे कि कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है, एक आध 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस लगेगा वहाँ, उसके बाद हम वहाँ भी एग्रेसिव बनेंगे. लेकिन राइट नाउ वी गेट गुड प्रोजेक्ट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, तो इंडिया के अंदर अभी 50 अपॉर्चुनिटी अवेलेबल है प्लेस वाइज, जिसमें आप सिक्किम है, देन आफ्टर सिस्टर यानी कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, सर्टेन पार्ट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश है. तो दूसरे जो भी एवेन्यू अवेलेबल है पहले उसको कैच करेंगे और सेंगे. मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि दूसरी अपॉर्चुनिटी दूसरी कंट्री में मिलेगी, तो वी आर ऑल्सो ईगर टू कैच दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Shashank from Value Educator. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. तो सर ये मैंने एनुअल रिपोर्ट में देखा हमारा कुछ ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एक सब्सिडरी है, तो उसके रिलेटेड कुछ प्लान है करंटली, और या वो आगे जाके कुछ होगा या एनीथिंग ऑन दैट साइड?
बेसिकली ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सब्सिडरी है इवेंट मैनेजमेंट के बिजनेस के हिसाब से. अगर कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है इंडियन कम्युनिटी और ओवर देयर, और इंडिया की कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी वहाँ है, तो ऐसे केस के अंदर हमने कंपनी बना के रखी हुई है. तो कुछ काम करना है तो हम इमीडिएटली मोबिलाइज कर सकें.
ओके.
Recently there is no any focus for Australian kind of ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कोई बिजनेस का कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है. It's only for opportunity. If we get, we can with this procedure to incorporate company, opening up the bank account like that. So that's only we can check.
ओके. और सर अभी और कुछ गवर्नमेंट के कुछ टेंडर्स चल रहे हैं या कुछ आप बता सकते हो कि लाइक आर वी पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन एनी future tenders where these temporary structures are there from the government side apart from whatever you have mentioned?
So any discussion or something आते हैं वो हम भरते हैं. ओके. फिलहाल तो इसमें कोई खास नहीं.
ओके सर.
लेकिन आएंगे तो इसके सामने हमारी टीम उसको अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम पे उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी को कैच कर लेगी.
ओके. और आप सर कुछ एस्पिरेशनल कुछ गाइडेंस या कुछ बता सकते हो कि लाइक अभी आपने 25 तक आई थिंक 10 रिसर्च का प्लान किया था जो हमने रिपोर्ट में दिया था, तो एवरी ईयर हमारा आगे जाके कैसे प्लान हो सकता है नेक्स्ट 3-4-5 साल के लिए, इफ यू कैन शेयर?
ये टोल्ड यू बिफोर, ये साल का हमारा 9 रिसोर्स का ऑलरेडी प्लान क्रिस्टलाइज हो चुका है. और maybe at the end of the year we may get 1-2 more by way of PPP more. इसमें से हमारे 4 या 5 प्रोजेक्ट हमारे खुद के लेन के हैं 10 में से, बाकी के 5 PPP मोड में हैं. हमने ऐसा एक स्ट्रेटेजिकल डिसीजन लिया. We will not be a one state specific. We have presence in all states wherever possible, and our total resort will not be in the one state. So 20% से ज़्यादा एक स्टेट में हम रिसोर्स नहीं करने वाले. फिर ये जो भी रिसोर्स बनेंगे उसमें 40% हमारी खुद की लैंड पे बनेंगे. ये प्रोपोर्शन को ध्यान में रखते हुए आगे हम बढ़ रहे हैं. और कहेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव 9 to 10 रिसोर्ट. तो इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑब्वियसली. वी आर ट्राइंग टू कैच एवरी ईयर. हमारी कैपेसिटी जो डेवलपमेंट की कैपेसिटी है उसको हम बढ़ाते अभी 10 से 12 की है. तो कहेंगे 24, 25, 26 until we get opportunity like this. तो इसको हम आगे डेवलप हर साल करने जा रहे हैं.
राइट. बिकॉज सर आपके जो मार्जिन और आपने जो पेबैक पीरियड बताया है दैट इज वेरी गुड. सो आर वी गोइंग टू हैव लाइक फोकस ऑन सिमिलर अपॉर्चुनिटीज जहाँ पे 1.5 साल के आसपास पेबैक रहेगा? बिकॉज
हमें को जहाँ मिलता है वहाँ मैक्सिमम पेबैक मिलता है, वहाँ जल्दी हम एग्रेसिव होके करते हैं. यहाँ लगेगा कि उसके बाद अपॉर्चुनिटी थोड़ी प्लस माइनस होने जा रही है फ्यूचर में 27, 28 में, 29 में, 30 में जब भी, तो तब हम सोचेंगे कि बेस्ट प्रपोजिशन क्या है. तब हमारा जो सेट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड है 1.5 ईयर्स का, वी में गिव रिलैक्सेशन टू दैट बिकॉज अप टू 3 or 3.5 ईयर्स वी अंडरस्टैंड कि अच्छा प्रपोजिशन है. तो उसको देखते हुए आगे डिसीजन हमारा बोर्ड लेगा.
Right, sir. क्योंकि any asset which is getting like a payback of 2 to 3 years is an excellent business because it will throw a lot of cash if you think in next 4 or 5 years.
Yeah. That's why our management is very eager to catch good business first, and it's a question of opportunity. तो जैसी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती रहेंगी ऐसी हमारी बोर्ड रिएक्ट करके उसके अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम पे अप्रोप्रिएट डिसीजन।
और मेरा सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, ये जो अपकमिंग 24 के प्रोजेक्ट से उनका लैंड कॉस्ट कुछ आप बता सकते हो क्या? शासनगीर, कुंभलगढ़ एंड शिवराज।
Then that our temporary structure having a 15 lakh rupees per room budget, and for a temporary structure has 30 rupees budget. In 24-25 also, that is our board benchmark budget. That if in future also जो भी 24 में भी बनेंगे वो एक गाइडलाइन को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनेंगे. That does not include land cost. I'm making clarity now.
So we are not going to acquire any land, or are we going to acquire the land over there?
Already stated, out of the total projection of our resort, number of resort जितने बनेंगे, इसमें 40% resort हम अपनी land पे बनाना चाहते हैं.
Okay.
And 60% will be lease or government lease land.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. A reminder to the participants, anyone wishing to ask a question, may please press star and 1. If there are no further questions, I now hand the conference over to Mr. Sumit Maru for his closing comments.
Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Praveg Limited. If you have inquiries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. Once more, thank you everyone for joining the conference.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Kirin Advisors Private Limited, that concludes this conference call. We thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you.